Performance Tool Rolling Garage Seat is a comfortable and functional rolling seat for use when working on your vehicle or detailing your car. The W85035 features plenty of storage space and a compact design. The garage seat features integrated side storage trays, tool holders, plus multiple movable storage bins and cups. Setup and assembly of the rolling garage seat takes only minutes. The frame and seat arrive pre-assembled, so you only need to install the metal frame rails for the casters and the casters themselves. The metal rails and casters install using a wrench and the included hardware. Use a wrench to tighten all bolts before use and you are ready to roll. The movable storage trays can be removed and placed in various locations along the edge of the garage seat. Move the trays to the best spot to keep everything within reach while working. It measures just over 15 inches tall and rolls on 4 smooth rolling casters, including 2 locking casters. The rolling garage seat is ideal for low-to-the-ground projects like working on your wheels or tires, or giving your back a break while detailing your vehicle. The movable storage trays can hold your favorite detailing products and towels. It also includes a convenient storage drawer. The seating surface features a padded vinyl cushion. The rolling seat has a 300-pound total weight capacity.